Hello guys, welcome. Myself Arvind Reddy, 19th series, 15 roll number from Informational Technology, A section. Today, our topic is role of database in healthcare industry. Why are databases important in healthcare? There are many changes taking place in healthcare sector. One may therefore ask, why are databases important? Simple. It is essential that proper system are in place to manage the health data. Healthcare databases are an important part of running the entire operations. Such systems include labs, finances, patient identification, tracking, billing payments, among others. The reality is that almost everything runs on a database system. We cannot underscore the importance of technology in healthcare. Our article below will explore the importance of databases in healthcare. What are databases? In this simplest definition, a database is any record that a practitioner maintains in paper form or on a computer. Does not matter whether it is a sole practitioner or corporate bodies. With the technological innovations, medical facilities are learning towards online transaction processing, thus doing away with paper. Anything that a medical practitioner collects from a patient from what are the database. This includes encounter from discharge from or any other registers. The whole purpose then of having a database is to ensure that the information is safe, updatable when necessary, and is easily accessible to anyone who may request them. With the rapid growth of technology used in healthcare sector, there is a generation of a lot of data. It therefore becomes a requirement that they collect the information for ease of use. This will greatly assist healthcare professionals in the discharge of their duties. Why are databases important? The healthcare system generates data that requires delicate handling. A patient's life depends on this information, and it is therefore important for the healthcare provider to be able to access it in the shortest time possible. We will explore some of the regions below. First, efficiency. Every time a patient visits a medical institution, there is a lot of information that is collected, where the patient requires seeing many different practitioners. The diagnosis, procedures, drug prescriptions, or any other intervention need to be on record. This process will require the safe storage of data. Now, imagine a typical day and the number of patients who came to the hospital. Well-designed hospital databases are important for the collection of patient information. It will also assist in achieving efficiency due to the processing of data, thus giving the healthcare provider relevant information with a click of a button. The data will require a level of manipulation to make it easier to use. A doctor may, for example, not have time to go through mounds of data with when a patient comes in. It therefore requires that the information undergoes query, filtering, and retrieval using the relevant technologies. Second, exchange of information. In the case that a patient needs the service of healthcare providers in different hospitals, a system need to be in a place that helps in the exchange of information. Hospitals needs to exchange healthcare data anytime there is a requirement. It is therefore important that there is a function integration through things like patient identification, healthcare access control, and other order management services, among others. Technology is essential because standards for the workflow are an important requirement for monitoring and improving the value of healthcare. Healthcare or databases systems provide an important way of monitoring and improving the value of healthcare services. This will result in better well-being for the patients. Healthcare providers find a way of availing information on costs, appropriate and efficient treatment, and access to care and the quality of service a patient gets. Any institution or external group of petitioners can get access to this information for various uses. The data can help in quality assurance and improvement programs for health planning purpose at a regional level. The information can provide important answers about policy issues surrounding reforms in the sector. Patients can expect better healthcare, better health, improved efficiency, low cost, and better clinical decision making. Fourth one, accessing the quality of healthcare. Data for hospitals come from very many sources, including other hospitals, state and regional organizations, departments of health, federal agencies, among others. The hospital administration discharge information provides valuable data for measuring quality. Such pertinent information includes diagnosis, procedures, length of the stay, charges, among others. Quality experts use hospital databases to access healthcare quality. They will consider factors such as how accessible are the healthcare facilities to the people within the region, affordability and timeliness of care, the barriers to seeking healthcare, how appropriate or necessary the service are, if the healthcare facilities are following parties guidelines, availability of pertinent information to clinicians and other institutions, whether the services are appropriate for the identification healthcare problems, the use of innovations with regard to healthcare delivery, financing of healthcare facilities, among others. Tracking healthcare usage. Healthcare database can give medical providers an important tool for tracking healthcare use. Healthcare providers, for instance, need to know whether people are getting their vaccinations or not. By having information through the report, they are better able to tell whether or not this is happening. By having the ability to track healthcare usage, providers can take care of diseases like influenza, polio, and measles, among others. Eradication of such diseases requires that the patient seeks treatment and getting the necessary vaccines. Six other uses. Healthcare databases have a wide range of other uses, including provisions of accurate, up-to-date patient information, increase in efficiency due to quick access to record, safety of patient information, help with the diagnosis and prescription. It will help in reducing medical errors, improving patient and healthcare interaction, assist with the documentation and billing, reduction in medical faculty running costs due to less paperwork and circle staff. The healthcare sector needs database systems. The question, why are databases important? Has been the basis of discussion above. A well-designed healthcare database system is important for the day-to-day running of the healthcare sector. The proper technology will make it possible for the healthcare providers to collect pertinent information that will improve the quality of healthcare they can provide. Policymakers can also use this information to make reform in the sector. The sharing of information between and among providers and institutions will also help patients access to better care. The medical field is changing rapidly, and there is a higher need for the right technology, information management, and database development. We understand the impact of technology and data management. Anu can contact us for more information. Thank you.